This is the stream recap from March 8th, 2023. This morning, Jerome Powell testified live in front of Congress, and these are the trades I made during the live stream. If you didn't know, I trade live every morning at 6:30 Pacific Standard Time. I hope you all having a good morning so far. Just getting started here this morning. So far, just one trade right off the open. Currently have a buy order placed at 88. Alright, so long one from 88. Alright, so I'm out there for a quick little trade. Decided to get out there at 90. So the reason I'm getting long here is we saw that big push down. We got a buy back up. We went to push new high days. Yesterday we did not see anything close to that when Jerome Powell came out. We saw a dump, but a continuation on the dump. We did not see new high days ever again yesterday. So it leads me to believe that we're leading towards a slightly more bullish reaction. I do like this gap fill level above, so I'm going to be targeting this level above. So I am keeping an eye on the dollar on another screen over here, and it is beginning to push. So might have to manage this one in case it goes south, but yeah, keeping an eye on that dollar as it continues to try to push would definitely result in substantial downside. All right, so just stopped myself out of there. Pretty rough trade there. So almost, what is that, like an 11-point loss there. Pretty substantial loss. So going and reflecting on it, basically I saw us have a different reaction than yesterday. We pushed up, we made new highs from when Jerome Powell came out. We had to pull back down. I got long, and then I wanted to see those new high days there. Didn't get it. The dollar continues to push. So once we saw that continued breakdown, just stopped myself out there. I'm long at 98 or 89. That's a bullish engulfing candle right there. That's the reason to get long. We saw the dump. I got out at the lows there, and then we saw it then at the same candle make a new high from the previous candle. I wasn't anticipating get back in so quickly, but when I see a move like that, I definitely want in. Getting another one there, averaging up into the position. All right, so out there, gap's been filled. All right, so that was a little frustrating when I look back in hindsight, because I got myself stopped out like right down here. I was looking and I saw this as kind of my previous stop, and then once we saw those breaks, I stopped myself out, and then we got a little more continuation on the dump, maybe 3 more points, and then we boosted back up. When I saw it boost back up and break the highs of this previous candle, that's a bullish engulfing candle. Therefore, I want to be long. So that's when I began to build that position into long, and then scaled out. The last one was kind of at those pre-market highs, and then the other one was just about 4.5 points in profit. All right, so I'm in at 91. So why am I long? Basically, we saw that kind of Jerome Powell came out. We got that dump, a little bit of a pump up to new highs, pull back, higher lows, push up, higher highs, pull back to fill the fair value gap on the 5-minute. Now long up the fair value gap, hoping for new higher highs with the continuation up. Out at 99 there for new highs of day. Alrighty, I'm just going to try a little short here. Seems like we're getting that downward push. After we continue to break new lows here, we filled that fair value gap. Alright, I'm just getting out there. We can see it was short at 81, out at 77.5. Basically, once we saw this gap down on the 1 minute, alright, so I'm long one here at 74. Just where kind of where we had that hourly gap that I talked about from before. Alright, so the other one just got filled right there at 72, so I have an average of 2 contracts at 73. Alright, so just out there to see that fair value gap get filled. In at 74 and 73. Oh no, 74 and 72, out at 76. Again, the reason for the entry on the hourly chart, we saw this 1 hour gap down here. And just wanted to see a quick little bounce. It is very counter trend move, so only looking for a quick little bounce there. Good trading for the day, up a little over $1,975 in gross on the ES, and then $100 gross on the NQ. After commissions and fees, finishing the day at $304,033. So a little over 1,000. I'm gonna call it there. If you're curious what I'm trading with, it's Apex Trader Funding on the left hand side over here. Basically, they're a prop firm. You prove to them you're a profitable trader, and then they'll put up the margin, and you can trade with their money, and you get to keep the first 25,000 in withdrawals, and they just want 10% of the profits after that. So you get to keep 90% after the first 25,000 withdrawals. This is TradingView. I just do all my analysis on here and then execute my trades over here. Please like and subscribe to the video and channel. If you are curious about anything else, please check out those links down in the description. I'd really appreciate it. Always helping us out. And I hope you have a profitable trading day, and I hope to see you tomorrow.